It's a beautiful start to your Friday. We do have a mix of sun and clouds across the area, maybe a little dew on the grass, but very comfortable with temperatures in the 50s. And as we look out from your live Mirabel weather cam in Vestal this morning, we mentioned the chance for 2 rounds of thunderstorms today. Well, the National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch for the entire area until 8 o'clock this evening. Round 1 of strong thunderstorms moving across the area, but we will keep the thunderstorms in the forecast for this afternoon, even into this evening. And as we take a closer look, we can see these went up over Tioga County in the Tioga area, drifting off to the east-northeast at about 20 miles per hour. Some of the locations affected by the rainfall. Greene at about 12:35, Oxford by around 1:30, Springvale by about 2 o'clock this afternoon. The Storm Prediction Center out of Norman, Oklahoma does keep us in the slight risk category for the possibility of some stronger thunderstorms. You can see roughly from Chemung County over towards Tompkins County and to the east towards the Hudson River Valley. That's where you have that better chance for the strong thunderstorms. Right now, Deposit, you're feeling 67 degrees. We do have the mild start to your day. We are going to have another cold front coming through, and that's going to give us another round of rain and thunderstorms. 60s this morning.
Not too bad, only 20% tomorrow as well.
Yeah, pretty slight, mainly in the afternoon, but I think for tomorrow you are going to notice the heat and the humidity.
All right, take that into account. Thanks, Brian.
Looks like mostly sunny skies this morning in Castle Creek. If you have any plans, work or play, get ready for a hot and muggy day. Not a bad start to the day. 73 degrees right now at the airport. The dew point has spiked up to 62 degrees. Wind is out of the southwest at 16 miles per hour. We will keep the southerly wind, but as the cold front comes through, that wind will turn westerly. We do see mainly 70s across the area. Bath at 68 degrees. We have Elmira at 80 degrees, but right now Towanda feeling 76 degrees. Norwich, you're at 75. Deposit feeling 74 degrees. We do have a few scattered showers developing across the area. Still think that better chance of rainfall holds off until later this afternoon into the early evening hours, and that's what Future Tracker is showing. 10 o'clock might be a little on the late side. I think things will be winding down by then, but again, between 4 and 6 o'clock, you'll have to watch out. That's when we're expecting those strongest thunderstorms. Highs today near 78 degrees. On the radar, the satellite, the reason for the thunderstorms, we have a cold front working its way across the Great Lakes. We had some sunshine earlier. Clouds are increasing. There's those scattered showers. You can see that line of rain extending just right through the 390 corridor. Still, that cold front hanging back to the west. That will be passing through later on this afternoon. You can see we've already had some scattered rain and some thunderstorms. Pretty hefty thunderstorm moving across northeastern Cortland County right now. We also had a thunderstorm near the Hancock, Roscoe area across extreme southwestern Delaware County. I think we are going to see a few scattered showers develop early this afternoon, but still that better chance of rainfall holding off until later in the afternoon. And this is what it looks like on Future Tracker. There's the spotty showers at 1:30, but you can see some heftier thunderstorms developing around 5 o'clock, mainly near and east of I-81. That's where we expect the heavier rainfall accumulations, kind of a west to east forecast. You can see by 9 o'clock, still some thunderstorms across the area, but as the night goes on, the chance of showers will be decreasing. I think we get partly cloudy skies for your Saturday, a quieter weather day across the area. Overall, a pretty pleasant day for your Saturday. The nice weather continues through your 4th of July weekend. I wanted to show you what we're expecting as far as Future Tracker and a west to east forecast. I'm thinking west of 81, anywhere from maybe 1/10 of an inch of rainfall, maybe up to 1/4 inch. You can see 2/10 in Ithaca, maybe a few hundredths in Owego, Binghamton picking up 2/10 of an inch. But as you move your way eastward, east of 81, you can see some higher rainfall totals, maybe 2/10 in Norwich, 1/2 inch in Oneonta, maybe 1 inch in Walton. So some of those thunderstorms will be capable of some heavier rainfall. 78 degrees for a high today, mostly cloudy skies, rain and thunderstorms. Some of those storms could bring gusty winds and heavy rainfall. Things wind down for tonight. I think we see some early thunderstorms. Lows drop down to 54 degrees. Skies turn partly cloudy. How about your 4th of July weekend? Mostly sunny skies on Sunday. A high of 78 degrees. A beautiful day for Independence Day. 80 for a high with partly cloudy skies. We keep our highs in the 80s with partly cloudy skies through much of next week. We are going to see daytime highs today climbing to near 84 degrees. So it is going to be a warm day, but those dew point temperatures are going to be in the 50s. So it's not going to be overly muggy. In fact, it's going to be a pretty comfortable day. It's warm and muggy, and a cold front will give us rain and thunderstorms. I'll have your Storm Tracker forecast. We also have a lightning strike detected there. Spotty showers right now, but the showers will become more numerous as we move through the afternoon. I think best chance of rainfall late this afternoon into the early evening hours. Mostly cloudy skies, rain and thunderstorms. Some of the storms, heavy rainfall, gusty winds, highs near 78 degrees. Winds will turn westerly at 10 to 15 miles per hour. For tonight, some early thunderstorms. Chance of rainfall will be decreasing after 8 or 9 o'clock. 53 degrees right now. We do have the sunny skies, but we're also dealing with that patchy fog. Relative humidity still high at 96%. A west-southwesterly wind at 5 miles per hour. Sometimes when you get that light wind, it churns up the air a little bit. It brings a little moisture higher into the air, brings some cooler air down to the surface so that light breeze can actually thicken the fog. So you have to watch out for that. Temperatures this morning are in the 40s and 50s. We have 55 in Towanda, 49 in Montrose, Cortland feeling 50 degrees, 52 in Norwich, 52 in Deposit Walton feeling 55 degrees. Let's see if we can take a look at Roscoe, 51 degrees right now. High pressure sitting just off to our west will give us a lot of sunshine through the day, and we'll stay after that cool but comfortable start. 40s and 50s right now. Highs today topping out in the upper 70s to lower 80s. On the radar, the satellite, it's going to be a quiet weather day for today. For tomorrow, we'll watch the cold front working its way across the northern plains. That's going to give us the chance for the rain and thunderstorms tomorrow. But for today, I said before, what you see is what you get. Sunny skies right now. Winds are light. We will keep the mostly sunny skies for today. In fact, just a few clouds moving across parts of southern Ontario in through northeastern Ohio. This is what Future Tracker is giving us for today. You can see a lot of sunshine for this afternoon, maybe a few clouds by later on this afternoon into the early evening hours. I think we start the evening out with mostly clear skies. After midnight, we will see thickening clouds across the area, but as far as our chance of rainfall goes, I think that holds off until tomorrow. You can see by lunchtime, we do start talking about a few scattered showers across the area. Looks like we could be dealing with some, we'll say, stronger thunderstorms moving across the area by early tomorrow evening. Looks like most of those are to the east of I-81. For today, highs near 80 degrees with mostly sunny skies. Winds out of the west at 3 to 8 miles per hour. For tonight, lows drop down to 56 degrees. We will see increasing clouds after midnight. And here's the rest of your Storm Tracker 7-day forecast. Rain and thunderstorms for your Friday. We'll get rid of that tomorrow. That's going to leave us with some very nice weather for your 4th of July weekend. Partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. Highs in the 70s and 80s.
So not too bad for today once the fog gets out of here.
Exactly. And like I say, a lot of sunshine for today. Highs near 80, Scott.